Hello, so here. So I'm doing today about so making this video just to share with you yung naging journey namin ng family namin sa pag-PR sa Canada. So, full background, well, dito naman siya actually. Personally, ako ayaw kong mag-abroad. Sabi ko, okay naman ako dito, okay naman yung trabaho ko. Pero this is actually, husband ko ang nag-person nito. Gusto niya talaga mag-abroad. Before I met him talagang abroad na yung mind na like he planned with his family, with his late wife na mag-abroad talaga. And since um, I am living in Santa Mesa, Manau po talaga dito. So, hindi niya 'to maiwanan, eh, kanyang hometown. It's either Santa Mesa or abroad. So, ano na lang, kumbaga, good deal na lang for both of us. I get to live Santa Mesa finally, and he gets to do his dream to be abroad. So, ayun. So, kaya namin pinursue ito. Um, Canada, permanent residence in Canada. So, itong journey na to, it took us uh, several years. We started um, doing, getting our requirements since 2023. Sobrang tagal. And now it's already 2026. Grabe. So, 3 years siya, di ba? So, ayun. Um, so it's gonna be a long story. So I hope you stay with me and watch our videos, di ba? Ang ganda ng Santa Mesa, di ba? Kulo ng bahay namin. So, ayan. So, hope you watch all my videos and um, so be having my husband with me in the next videos to come. Stay namin mabuti, the process that we've gone through, the steps we took, and para maiwasan nyo rin yung mga mistakes na nagawa namin during the process. So, there. I hope doon kayo sa mga nanonood na hoping to be permanent residents in Canada, ma-watch nito, and I hope this will be helpful to you and your family. And sa amin, wish lang din namin sa family namin to give our children a better future, a good opportunity. So I hope you get to give that to your children as well. So good luck and God bless you and see you in the next week.